Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to share with you an exciting announcement. Drum rolls please. I'm happy to share that my DataViz has been nominated the Pacific winner in the Pacific DataViz Challenge 2024. Well, in my last video, I explained a bit about my data storytelling project. Well, that was the project that was nominated. So I'm so happy and humbled by this win. And of course, I definitely have a lot more to improve on in terms of data storytelling, but one thing is certain, that my data storytelling journey has just begun, and I'm so excited and looking forward to working on future projects. Okay, I'd like to take you back to the Pacific DataViz Challenge website and show you the different categories of rewards. So for 2024, they had interactive and the static rewards or prizes, each with first, second, and third. Okay, and they also created two new categories for youth and Pacific, specifically to encourage youth to participate, and also some of us in the Pacific. So I won the Pacific prize. So for the interactive prize, we had first, second, and third. The first prize was going for about $3,000 US, second prize $2,000, and the third prize $1,000. And likewise for the static category. So the Pacific for the Pacific award, the Pacific award, that was $1,500 US. That's the one I won. And another guy that's based here in New Caledonia, he won the youth prize, which was $1,500 US as well. So I encourage you to follow their website. They're also on LinkedIn and Facebook. So follow them for future challenges next year as well. Okay, because the challenges, the way they do the challenges, it's not just limited to us in the Pacific, it's actually open to everyone around the world. So I highly recommend, guys, that you follow them on LinkedIn, follow them on Facebook, and also check out their website. So this is my DataViz which I submitted. So I'm thinking in a future video I'll explain to you the process that I went through to creating this data story. So if you have any questions, please note them below so I can take that into account as well in that future video. Just to explain to you my experience, of course this is my first data storytelling project, so I've got a lot to improve on, but I just want to share my experience on my thought process in creating this data story. So this brings me to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll put all the relevant links below so you can check it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.